Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to review the Sonic the Hedgehog 3 Supersonic figure. Now, turning to this guy's looks, wow, he's extremely detailed, like the fur and stuff. And his eyes are red. Like, I love how they sculpted the nose. Just look at these detailed shoes. Even at the bottom, they're detailed. They really gone a lot with these figures. So unfortunately, mine has some paint chipping right here, but that doesn't matter with me too much. Turning to articulation, his head can spin around 360, can tilt side to side, up and down. His arms can move, have a pivot up here, and spin around. They have a bend, and his fingers. And yeah, I love how these hands have articulation, like they spin around, and even the fingers can move. And they have a wrist rotation, wrist joint, which is really impressive for a Sonic, really impressive for a figure like Transformers figures. They don't have these. And the legs, unlike Shadow, well, at least the one I have, he can actually just sit down. And yeah, his legs can like that, can move at the back as well. They can spin around, and they can also bend. And the shoes that can bend. I just love when they do this. It is so satisfying. One thing to look out for is I'd be a little bit careful when I move with the arms, because I'm about to show you when I do a comparison quickly. Here is he with the Shadow the Hedgehog figure, and this is what happens when you're a bit too hard. Well, the arm just falls off. Well, my dad was able to put a screw onto it, but it's starting to get very hard to pose this thing, so that's why I have to get a new one. So be careful when posing around with the arms, especially with this one. This one looks like it's kind of loose, unlike with this arm right here. So be very careful when playing with these figures, because you might break one just like mine. And comparing these two together, yeah, they look pretty cool. Well, with the arm, besides the arm, I love the fact that Shadow is like a bigger than Sonic, well, just by a little. And yeah, and if this scene looks, and the two of them look kind of weird together, well, remember Shadow just, like before they fought, Shadow was in his base form while Sonic was in his super form. And showcasing this guy's posability, here are a few poses that I will show out. And yeah, this guy has a bunch of posability. And so as I wrap up the review for this fig, this is like a really good figure overall. In fact, it's even better than the Shadow review. Like it's just articulation, posability, it's amazing. Though the problem is, well, the chances of you actually getting it. I mean, you can obviously find a Shadow like everywhere, but Supersonic, that is just rare. Well, I recommend just trying to get lucky and get a decent price on eBay. So that's what this will be, this review for today, guys. And comment down below which video you want you next, and I'll see you next time.